Hello everyone, welcome back to the homestead. It is full-fledged winter here. I thought I would share some of the beauty and some of the not fun parts about living so far into the woods during the middle of winter. So we had a beautiful mass of snow and then 2 days of cooling or warming weather, and all this snow squished down to an ice-like consistency, and we somehow safely got the expedition down okay. But we had to walk back up after getting home, and the kids and I have to go to practice, so we're gonna walk down to the vehicle and we'll be able to drive it up tonight. But yeah, we have to walk down, and yeah, just thought I'd share some of the beauty, some of the frustration, but mostly some of the beauty. So it was also, I guess, a nice little chance to enjoy a quiet walk before getting in the car and running errands. It was a beautiful walk, but we made it to the car. All right, everyone, have a great day. Bye.